Hi guys, so excited to share with you what I'm doing in my live workshops. Viv said no more workshops, but I'm actually doing them again and it's super exciting. So what actually happens is we start off with a coaching call, you and I, for an hour, and we look at your work, we explore what you're doing on your Instagram page, how you're building your brand, and we then lay out a design, discover your signature looks, and we create a mood board which you will recreate when you meet me in person at the workshop. So then you come to the workshop and we then start to work through the different ideas, your signature looks, and we really work on those. And I help you in terms of how to photograph them and how to really take that shot and make it look amazing. When you leave me, you have time to process. And then we get together again on another coaching call and we review everything that happened. We look at the photographs, we look at the work that you did, and then we go, okay, what's next from here? Part of what's next is you then get a third coaching call with Patricia, who is my expert when it comes to social media. She will then spend 1 hour with you, look at your Instagram, look at how we turn your followers into clients, how we elevate your brand, and how we take everything that you have learned and start to market it and get the clients coming in that you want to have sitting in your chair. So this is more than learning how to do a technique. This is really about rebranding who you are, elevating who you are, and getting the clients that you want sitting in your chair, increasing your value, increasing your confidence, and guess what? Having a whole lot of fun. So check out the information below, and therefore you can take a look at the dates and the events, and hopefully I will see you not only online, but I will see you in person when I can give you a big hug. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.